Nvidia is going to invest an additional $2 billion into CoreWeave by purchasing common stock at a price of $87.20 a share. The stock right now in pre-market up. Bouncing around, actually. I think there might be some algo moves going on in that. You know, when we spoke to Nvidia CEO Jen-Hsun last night in a Bloomberg interview, he said this is simply about confidence in CoreWeave, CoreWeave's plan, CoreWeave's management to build out capacity, accelerate data center capacity. But we asked him, well, isn't it circular financing? And his answer to that was very simply, it's not circular financing, and it would be ridiculous to call it that, because it is a tiny portion of what we know CoreWeave is going to have to raise if they're able to build out data centers to a level where they can meet the demand that's already out there. He also said that it's basically consistent with the investments they've made all over the AI stack at a same level, and pushed back pretty hard on that. But unsurprising that CoreWeave, in reaction, had a big jump in the pre-market.
What do the investors that you speak to every single day call if it's not circular financing get? Doesn't it just look and smell like circular financing?
You know, like they would say, well, you have to discern between the different deals. In some of the investments Nvidia makes, they are explicit that it's not a quid pro quo. In other words, the startup they're investing in can take Nvidia's money, but they're not required to use Nvidia chips. In this case, CoreWeave now up more than 9% in the pre-market. There is a technology arrangement here as well. So one of the other big pieces of news, you see like AMD and Intel under pressure in the pre-market, is Nvidia is going to start offering its CPU, not its GPU, its CPU as a standalone offering, and CoreWeave gets to be first to deploy that. You know, it's hard when it's both a technology and financing arrangement to move past the circular argument.